and today I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to achieve this image style here using Elementor. To start with, there are two ways to achieve this. The first one is if you are working with a Figma file, you can export the image as it is from the Figma file and import it to your Elementor. And let us try that. I have this image here and I've exported it already. So I'm going to go to my Elementor page which I've created before. This is a 2-column section. We have on the left hand side, we have the header, we have the heading, we have the paragraph, and we have the button. So on this side, I'm going to be adding an image to this, and I'm going to be using the image I exported from the Figma, which is this. So I'm going to pick this, and that is it. So if you want to achieve the edge to edge image like this, let's make this a full width. We have that. So we are going to give the left hand side a padding left. So just like this. That's the first step. I think we have a padding here which I can move. So we have this touching the edge. So that is the first step. The other step is by using the Elementor image mask. So with that, we need to make use of a full image. Let's do that. I'm going to add image to this. I'm going to pick an image from my gallery, which is this. I'm going to choose this. So we have this. So you can find the mask tool from the advanced section of the image. Scroll down to where you can see mask, then on the mask. From there you can see we have the circle, we have the flower, we have sketch, we have triangle, we have blob, we have hexagon. Those are the default style that came with Elementor. But if you have a custom style, a custom shape which you want to achieve, then you can make use of the custom here. Then you are going to upload either a PNG image or an SVG. So from there, I'm going to use this same shape from here. I already have it here. So the tip I'm going to be giving to you is make sure the shape you want to use, make sure you fill it with a color. Here I'm going to fill this one with the color like this. Then I'm going to export as PNG. Export as PNG. So I'm going to come to the mask here. You choose custom, then you choose image. I already have it imported to my design before, so I'm going to pick the shape, then select. So as you can see, we have this. So to achieve the edge as well, let me go to the settings here. Full width, then margin left, padding left. Then this, I'm going to remove the padding. So we have this. We have the image with the custom shape that we wanted to achieve here. So those are the two ways of doing this. The first one is to export the image as it is if you are working with a Figma file. Then the other one is for you to create a shape, a custom shape that you want. You export it, then you use the Elementor image mask to achieve that. So that's how to achieve this using Elementor, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.